Look at what they got here at the outlet. Look at this. Bread Force. Bread Force. What's going on, YouTube viewers? Happy 4th of July. It is 4th of July. Since we got the day off, let's go check out another Nike outlet. We're at the clearance center out in Santa Clarita. So let's go see if we can find some deals. Oh, looks like we got 30% off everything, or all the footwear. Let's go see what we find. We are at the size 10 aisle, which is my aisle. Let's go check out the Jordans. We did come here late. It's like 11 o'clock, so usually all the really good Jordans are usually picked up by like right at 10, because people stand in line out here. So yeah, I don't see anything great. Not in the Jordan section, at least. This is definitely an interesting find. Got the Saturns. $100. $100, dude. Not bad. And they actually have a couple. They have another one right there. They do got the Jordan boots. What are they going for? I can't look at that. Oh, $129. $129, 30% off on top of that. So that's not bad. So I spent some time looking at the size 10s, and other than these 720 Saturns, they really don't have much else. So let's go look at some of the other sections. I'm just walking around. Look at what I see just in there. Mochas. Got the Mochas for $70. 70 freaking dollars, you guys. Mochas for $70. I know. Obviously, these have been out for a while. They have been sitting, but $70? That's just crazy, man. Usually, Jordans run a little bit big, so I usually can't wear 10.5, but let me see. Or they run true to size. They don't really run big, but yeah, let me try it out, dude. Got some pennies, 10.5, $79.99 plus 30% off. That's pretty legit. Vapor Max, $129, 30% off. Oh, none of them as good as this. Oh man. Oh, the guy left. There was another guy who found a pair just like mine, and then someone else was asking around. Okay, man. Crazy comfortable. All React. Man, that's a legit deal. I'm already getting this, so still looking for other heat though. I was looking for heat. Got a good one. Got a good one of these LeBron 14 lows. I'm not a fan of those, but hey, if that's your style, got a bunch. Look, I found another one. I was talking to one of the homies over here, and he was looking for a pair, so I'm gonna go try to find him and give him his pair. So try to get some of that good karma. Cool. I made sure my man got his pair of Mochas. He was very happy. He was very appreciative. Now let's continue on. I'm in size 11, just checking stuff out. We're in the size 11 section. Look at this. Some reflectives. I guess someone just returned that. Reflective 8. Someone just returned it. Size 11. Going for retail. 30% off though. 30% off though. That's a deal. That's some of the boots. Go for $129. Jordan 9 boots. What's this? I thought these were some Savage or 8s, but nope. We're in the size 12. Got some double straps. Hitting for what? 75. 30% off. Oh, that's a Air Force Max. These are legit. $80, 20% off. Yeah, I'd be trying those on if they were my size. I'd be trying those on. More Saturns. Got a whole run of Saturns. Size 12, man. Size 12. Look at this. $39.99. Some Air Force One Safaris. Oh, I'm sorry. They're not Air Force Ones. Air Force Safaris. Air Force Safaris. These are not bad. $40. That's a deal right there, though. Size 11.5, right behind us. Double straps. 75. Soldiers, oh, 69, man. 70 bucks, 30% off. Not bad. Look at that, 312 Laker colorway. It's actually not a bad colorway. It's the only good colorway. I don't know. Maybe because I'm just a Lakers fan. So I looked at the 9 and 9.5. So there's usually nothing in those over there. So 8.5 used, but yeah, but the grape. Yeah, dark raisin. 11s, 13s. I'm sorry, 13s go for $100. Not bad. 30% off. Oh, okay. I was talking to my man right there. He didn't want these. He did not want to go for retail. But look, 30% off. Size 8.5, 30% off. Not bad. Not bad. Look what we got here. Looks like someone already returned one of these. I'm just not digging these at all. Look, not digging these. The four fly knits came out in what, 4 different colors, something. Not a fan, not a fan. 30% off though, if you are. That's a good deal, 30% off. Look at what they got here at the outlet. Look at this, bread force. But they are only size 6s. Kind of tricked you guys, but yeah, look at that. Not bad. Going for retail minus 30% off. Not bad. We're in the kids section, just for those of you got kids. Got 13 retros. In for what? 75, 30% off. It's not bad. Not bad. I got some of the shadows. Got more than 13. I have no clue what colorway that is. What is that? The black? Gym red olive. Light olive color? I got some LeBrons. 85. Got some LeBrons. For kids. I came back to the size 9.5s. Just to see what they got. Look at this. Generic box, but Jordan Epic React. Never even seen one of these. Not bad. Retail minus 30% off. Retail minus 30% off. Crazy fly net material. Good. Can't fit anyway. Time to pay for these bad boys. Oh man, 70 bucks, dude. I'm so happy. This is crazy. 70 bucks for some mochas. 3 mochas, man. This is crazy. 70 bucks plus tax, you guys. 70 bucks plus tax, man. That's just, man, that is just crazy. Crazy. 70 bones. You guys need to hit up this clearance store.
Why do those just forget?
Mm-hmm.